Good morning, World History Cardinals. It's Miss Wall coming to you this morning for February 25th. We are looking forward to a lesson today that continues the rise of Islam and how it spread so quickly. So when I log into Canvas and go to our activities, as we scroll down, we see our Black History information, and we see our video link from student government. We'll go into the blue enter here button. We'll click on unit 3. We will scroll down to our topic for today, which is the spread of Islam. So you've gone through world religions, the Crusades, you've gone through the opening of Middle Ages and feudalism in Europe, but also you took a probe into looking at how it started in Japan. And so now you have a look into the spread of Islam. Like we talked about the Crusades and the two parties that were kind of at odds, but now it's time to go a little bit deeper. How did Islam expand to the Iberian Peninsula and northern Africa? How successful was the expansion in both parts of the world? What you need to write in your notes is the goal statement, the one that says, I can explain the spread of Islam and the geographic regions where it spread and where that spread was successful. So the first thing to let you know, we are not writing an essay, but we are definitely going to be going into the DBQ project again. Click the link to activities. And I took the quiz out. There's no quiz right here because it's going to be based on the hook exercise, so you won't see this on your page. Next, I decided to go directly to the activity. So this one says you will take a look at the background essay. So we are going to read the essay that's in the DBQ project. You will read and respond to the questions within the project. Notice there are 0 points because right now we're just reading. You can click this link and then you see where you should log in for yourself. But I like Clever. Or you guys, I guess, can log in with your Google. Me, I'm going to go back to Clever. Same as before. I'm going to either search the icon DBQ and it pops up, or I'm just going to look on my page and see that it's there. All of you should have that icon. Then you click it, and then your class view comes up, and whether you're first block or third block, the articles are still there. You just have to read and scroll down to read everything. The topic this morning is, why did Islam spread so quickly? Click view. If I were you, I would always look at the picture and I will write down the topic in my notes and I would read the overview. Read the overview so you'll see that in 610 CE, a local merchant named Muhammad retreated to a cave outside the city of Mecca in Arabia to meditate. There, the archangel Gabriel, now, just like we did with the Holy Lands, you should understand and know that Gabriel also appears in all three of those monotheistic religions. Gabriel appeared and gave Muhammad words to recite. These words gave birth to a religion called Islam. Within 140 years, followers of Islam created an empire that ruled the Middle East and stretched across North Africa into Europe. Over time, the religion continued to attract new followers. The mini-Q explores why the new religion was able to spread so quickly. What you all should do right now is get your religion chart. Get your religion chart. And then afterwards, come over to the little drop down and go directly to the background essay. Skip hook, go to background essay. And on this particular one, I still have the notes up from last semester. So feel free to use that. You and I will read over some of this, okay? And then you have the 5 pillars. Some of that information is there. And finally, your essential question is, why did Islam spread so quickly after reading that? Then you go back to Canvas, because the only thing it said on this part was to read it. Then you're going to go to Canvas and skip, and then it tells you why did it spread so quickly, document analysis. Here you have the actual assignment. It says, after completing the background essay, which we're not writing one, you just read it, do your doc analysis questions. You're only going to do A and B, okay? Only A and B. Even though that says 0 points, I will go back in and make sure you understand that that should be 100 points. And so that just means go back to the DBQ, hit the drop down, read document A, where it's telling you about Mecca and has given you a map of the trade routes and answering the 6 questions. And then go to document B and looking at some verses from the Quran. And there are 5 questions there. Now, that's the only part that's homework. Don't forget, when you do questions, you go up to the button that says export and click export work. Then once you have saved that to your hard drive on your Chromebook, then you go back to Canvas and submit. This page right here will have a submit button. That's what you want. Turn that in right there. But if you are a student who just wants to know more, read the rest of the documents. Read document C. It tells flat out how it's spread. I mean, honestly, you should do document C. I am going to edit that. You will do document C, and then document D, E, and F. You're just reading. This is just reading. You don't have to answer the questions. I'm just telling you, if you want to be a student to fully understand, you can do it that way. But don't do these as of yet. All right, and then there's one more, document F. You are only responsible for A, B, and now C, because it answers the essential question. It tells you why. So once you've done those, the next thing is closure as usual, and they just want you to write a summary on it. Again, there are no points for this. You are just writing a sentence on why you think, based on what you just read, on why you think it spread so quickly. And my hope is that we'll have a guest today. All right, guys. Once you hit that and you see the little dog wagging his tail, then you know you are finished. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.